Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can unbind your account and start fresh by creating a new character. It's pretty easy. First of all, open the menu, select settings and tab over to other. Once you are here, scroll down and select bind account. When you open it, the game will load and you'll need to create a NetEase Games account and link it to the profile you're currently using. At this point, your NetEase Games account will be linked to your existing platform account like Steam or PSN at the same time. Doing this is important because it allows you to unbind one of the linked accounts later. After that, look at the bottom right corner of the screen and open customer service by holding Y on Xbox or triangle on PlayStation. Once the customer service menu opens, you'll see the option to unbind account. Select that. Before you proceed, there are a few things you should know. The game will only allow unbinding once it says click to unbind account at the bottom. Also, you must have at least 2 accounts bound before unbinding. A NetEase password must be bound first and it cannot be unbound. Because of that, you can only unbind your Steam or PSN account, not the NetEase account. When you're ready, choose the account type you wanna unbind. In my case, I selected Steam. Type confirm, press next and the account will be unbound. Once that's done, simply restart the game. When you log back in, you will be able to sign in with a new account and create a brand new character. And also keep in mind, you may need to log in or log out here if the game auto logs you into your NetEase account. Ensure you're logged out of your NetEase account so you can start new. And that's pretty much of it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.